Now, one of the things that so many of the new investors are asking themselves is that how many vehicles is NIO going to have under the insurance registrations report that will be coming this Tuesday? And the reason why they should be asking themselves that is because, well, this week, Monday and Tuesday, it was a holiday in China, which is why even on Tuesday we did not get the insurance registration report, but only got it, I think, on Thursday. It was because of the holiday that was taking place in China from the 15th to the 17th, which is why it even, of course, disrupted some of the news, like the insurance registrations report we usually get on a week to week. So looking at the numbers for this week, one has to wonder how many vehicles is NIO going to have under the insurance registrations report. But what we know is that usually the last 2 weeks of the month usually are the ones with most insurance registrations figures, and therefore we are not supposed to worry that much. But again, this week, I will remind you again, Monday, Tuesday was a holiday, and therefore, yeah, it might not come, the figures might not come as what we usually see because of the holiday. But personally, I still believe that this week we have gotten 4,000, or at least 4,000 insurance registrations. That's my prediction, around 4,000. You will know that the first week we got 4,500, second week we got 4,200, third week, which is this week, I am saying we are going to get another plus minus 4,000 insurance registrations, which next week will be, or this coming week, as it is the last week of the month, we are going to get to see almost a record-breaking insurance registration number, because NIO, it is targeting, based on the guidance which they gave us during their Q2 earnings, they are targeting to see record-breaking deliveries. When we look at the when you look into the higher guidance of around 22,500, they are projecting that they might do much better, or they might record an all-time high when it comes to deliveries, which we look forward to that. And I think it will excite a lot and lots of the new investors. It will excite so many of the new investors when it comes that time, that day when they report their monthly deliveries. So I'm happy, I'm excited. I think 4,000 is still very much possible. And those of you that are still thinking that NIO might struggle to get 20,000, you have to think again, because I mean, they've already given us a guidance of 20,500 to 22,500, and therefore we know that 20,000 has been confirmed. What we want to see is if whether NIO is going to report record-breaking deliveries. So though we have got, or though we had these 2 days, first 2 days of this week being holidays, I think that's not a train smash onto NIO, and they are going to deliver pretty good, decent deliveries. I mean, this coming week, you will know that Onvo is starting with the deliveries, and yeah, Thursday might be the first day where we see Onvo delivering some of their orders onto their first users, which we look forward to that, right? I mean, we have seen EV companies that have been launching new cars recently doing well and starting to deliver pretty good numbers, and we hope NIO can also or we hope Onvo can also do that and start with the deliveries, hit the ground and deliver as many vehicles as possible. So I'm happy, I'm excited about this. I think blue sky is definitely coming, and the Tuesday will be the day where we get yet another 4,000 confirmed from the insurance registrations figures. I mean, though NIO comes, even if worst case scenario we could see NIO having 30,500, it will not be a train smash, because NIO started this month very well, and even below 4,000 won't be a train smash, because we will know that it is due to the holiday. But personally, I see 4,000 or around 4,000, which should be great, or should be good, propelling us maybe to a new monthly record. So I'm happy, I'm excited about this. NIO is a company that is doing exceptionally well. The kind of NIO that we are seeing now is different from the kind of NIO we were seeing last year around the same time. and therefore we need to brace ourselves for what's coming. You need to ask yourself what we might see in Q4, because Q4, you will know that usually we also see that quarter being one of the quarters that are great on average on all of the car companies in terms of sales, right? I mean, NIO this quarter or quarter 3, they are seeing themselves delivering 61 and 63,000 between those figures. And quarter 4, I just hope they can target 70,000 or plus 70,000, which is something that is pretty exciting. Also factoring the Lidao Onvo L60. And I think it's possible. In fact, my prediction is that we might get 75,000 for both Onvo and NIO. Onvo, we know that they are targeting 10,000 during the December month, which therefore means 65 might come from just the NIO main brand, which that, ladies and gents, it's good news. That ladies and gents, will take them very close to profitability. It will mean good news. It will just be good vibes, right? It will continue bringing a lot of excitement into the new investors, right? So I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. Do your own DD before you buy the new stock, because it's quite volatile. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.